Hey, in this video, we're going to talk about something huge, that just came in, and I want to share it with you. Talk about some financial freedom. Talk about ways to exponentially grow your income in record time. We're going to talk about it all on the other side. Let's roll this. Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. I could not be more excited to talk to you about a program, folks, that has changed my life for the better. But before we get into the nuts and bolts of this program, guys, make sure you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Guys, we're going to go over some income examples of what we feel that you can make in this program. Of course, income disclaimer, in life, nothing happens until you take action, and you do a lot of it. Folks, I tell you what, work from home, affiliate marketing, it has never been this good. And it will only get better for as long as the world is standing. Folks, after we have left the world for the next 100 years, people are going to always and forever look for ways to make money from home. And when you show them a system that works, a Bible system. Folks, I'm talking to about the Millionaire Mailer. Been around for about 8.5, 9 years now. 8.5, 9 years. 9 years into this program, and it still continues. People are coming in it on a weekly basis, and I could not be more excited. We've got payments all around the place, so we're excited. We're going to talk about this one here and what we feel that you can make in this program. We have dialed it down to a one-page flyer. Folks, this is the kind of life that you can live. Go where you want to go, do what you want to do when you have systems of duplication. Anybody can duplicate what we're doing. Millennials, Generation X, younger, older, everybody can, promote a flyer system. I call them systems, and I call them flyer systems because people feel systems work. This Millionaire Mailer flyer is incredible. It is, we have got it down pat. It's on one level, one flyer, and people can choose the $25, $50, $100, $250, $500, and $1,000 level from one flyer. Folks, that is incredible. And again, the Millionaire Mailer has stood the test of time, and it still continues to produce. I'm going to welcome a new member here to the program, but it is astounding is what you can do. We even have an optional website. You can get one just like Mary Beth has. It has proof, testimonial after testimonial after testimonial as to what this program has done. And it continues to work over and over and over again. I don't even talk about it as much now as I should because we have video after video, $1,000 payment right there. Proof, $250 payments. We've got some 250s, some 500s. We've got a $500 payment, $250 payment. Folks, let me tell you what, leverage, 25, 100, 500, 500, 500. Look at the proof, folks, as to what this thing has done for a lot of our members. Got any questions, guys? You can contact Mary Beth. She'll tell you about the program. She'll tell you what it can do for you if you put it to action. So we could not be more excited, folks, about, and there's her information. You want to contact her. But we could not be more excited about what we've got our hands on, a possibility to create wealth beyond our wildest imagination. I'm going to go into this right here. I want to welcome Arnold to the program. Arnold sent this off on February 18th, and we're just now got that thing in. Arnold sent that thing through. Arnold's from Mattoon, Illinois. Big shout out to the folks in Illinois and across the nation. Let's open this thing up, and I'll show you. Be careful, guys. Don't rip money orders, checks, and or cash. And that's why I tell y'all, if the Millionaire Mail has been around for 9 years, we've got a bunch of flyers that's on the channel that I market right now. Folks that are just born. Do you think they got room to run? Folks, these things can run hot the next 15, 20 years. Get in now. This is the kind of lifestyle that anybody can make a decision. All they have to do is remain focused and just follow a repeatable pattern. You do it over and over and over again. I tell people it could not be easier. The only thing I can do to be easier for you is come to the house and do it for you. but you do it over and over and over and over and over again. Get with us. We'll show you how we're doing it. And we'll show you. Let me see. This is the Millionaire Mailer flyer. It just come out the envelope here. Let's open this up. We've got two things. We've got a check here, and there's a note from Arnold. I talked to Arnold on the phone. Arnold said, thanks for all you do, and thanks for taking my phone call. That is absolutely powerful. And Arnold sent this check in, and in the amount of, I'll show you, $500. Arnold talked to me about 2 weeks ago, a little over 2 weeks ago, and he said he was going out of town, and when he gets back, he was going to mail it all. And we received that $500 payment for the Millionaire Mailer. Folks, this thing, that's a $500 payment that just came in. It continues to work over and over and over again. Folks, this is how I'm doing it. I'm promoting the big ticket, make money today. You make a sale today, you get paid today. I'm promoting that on the front side. On the back end, we're promoting the smaller ticket, the live goods, the supplement grids, the supplement grid. Really, I'm pushing that supplement grid, and the programs of the residual income of our dreams. But on the front side, guys, if you can use one of these systems, the Millionaire Mailer, the Crazy Cash Flyer, the $200 a day flyer system, the $1,000 per week solution flyer, folks, and look at this yellow postcard. If you can you mail 100 a week, and don't just go out and mail 100 flyers or 100 postcards and say, Timothy, my dreams did not come true. You do this stuff over and over and over and over again. Folks, I'm telling you what, you can clean up. You can take them jobs that you're on, find the nearest trash can and put them in there. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not a job hater. I've worked in corporate America, before I went full-time at home. And full-time is like, what, 15 hours a week, if that much, from doing something that you love to do, helping other people get started in these programs. I went from working 60 hours in corporate America for what is it, about 28, 30 years almost. Well, I didn't work that long in it. Trying to figure out how old I am. Maybe about 25 years in the corporate America. And I found out systems, leverage wealth, building wealth with leverage. Folks, when you understand leverage, a group of people can help you to make more money than you ever can make by yourself. John Rockefeller said, I'd rather make 1% of 100 people that represent 100% of mine, meaning a group of people. Folks, these programs have leverage built into them. Leverage beyond your wildest imagination. And let me tell you what about leverage, folks. This is better than Forex trading, better than Bitcoin, better than all that stuff. Because you got to constantly worry about, is Bitcoin going to be up or down tomorrow or next week? Is the exchange is going to go up in fire? Those are the things in the back of your mind. And you're trading Forex, you're reading charts, and you got your mind focused on that, and worried about what this pair is going to do. Folks, this is set and forget. Hit that like button, guys. Smash out the like button. Subscribe to the channel. I could not be more excited about this flyer. You can choose whatever level of participation. The 25, the 50, the 100, 250, 100, the $1,000 level. When you join a higher level, you automatically get the lesser levels absolutely free. What is the product? What is the product, folks? You're going to get the mail report, how to make thousands a week in mail order. You're going to get our preferred key print mail service, who we recommend for your print mail service. You're going to get top of the line mailing list directory. Where do you get your leads from? And folks, a camera-ready copy of your flyers. We're going to host this line for the life that you're in the program. This is part of the service. Folks, we have unlimited products and value, service. And you don't even have to have your number on the flyer unless you want to. It's totally up to you. Folks, this is exciting times here. 2024 is going to be incredible. 25, 26, 27. And we want to invite you to come along with us for the ride. Folks, if you enjoyed this video, get involved right now. Request this flyer today. Get back with the person that referred you to this program and get started. Have a wonderful day, guys. Great times are here now, and it's only going to get better. Spend the time that you deserve with your family. Go out to Chick-fil-A. Go out to wherever your favorite restaurant is. Stay half the day. Go out to Lowe's. Go to Home Depot. Go to the mall. Go to the movies. Live life on your terms. That's what it's all about. Especially those of y'all that have paid your dues. Those of y'all have been working for years. And I'm not telling people to quit their jobs today, but become the CEO of your life. That's where it's at, folks. And you do it over and over and over again. Okay, guys, that's my time for today. Have a wonderful time. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.